Solace Part 2 is out right now here on YouTube, so make sure you check it out, alright? Yeah, man, it's out right now. Go and check it out. Link in the description.
Get that somebody?
Why did you not hear me?
Y'all gone. Break down, look. Get
And I met the whole world know, man.
No, you can't.
Send me a big chef, you know? Just met the ginger, the spicy, not spicy, the ginger garlic chicken.
And the plate,
Show them again, show them.
the plate, no day.
Everybody plate empty.
Not yet.
Everybody plate empty.
Yeah.
That are going in idea, you know, Duns River vibes and them things. Nothing I go in on the water, because they come here already and go in the water, climb falls and all of that. You know, you're there with the family, so they gotta do their thing. Yeah. I do them march up falls and all of them something. Just come for chill, you know? And also for the purpose of hanging out. Left out our house a little bit. A long journey down to the bottom of the falls. What a thing, Rasta. Somebody a ball for their life to play and out of blood stain. Eh? I would take away people them license plate. Which one of the dirty boy take away people them license plate come and sell to the tourists there, eh? Designated bag watcher for the day, you know. But I don't mind. Just a chill airport. You say, I don't focus on broke up. I might enjoy the water activities, you know? Probably go walk around a little bit. I'll be idle. Or not. And when you go somewhere, you just find a sanctuary and you just chill. So that's what I'm doing. This look like some new pound, new bill for the pounds. I kind of like how it feels still. It's almost feel like plastic and not paper. Is it plastic? I don't know. And they have the queen. In that picture here, the queen about late 40s. Late 40s, maybe early 50s. So how old should be now? The queen about 3,000 years. Golly. She's about 96. I like how this feels still. You know? And you have the little clearness right there, so you can see through it. And then Winston Churchill. I like it. Them type of currency a man want to earn, you know? Big money.
That's rich.
Think I'm going on time now, you know? We decided that it was time for us to get the hell up on out of here, so people that box them, I skate. Try to get to the car. ASAP, bro. The rain is coming, bro. I'm down the umbrella. Show your face, man. That is one of my nieces. Part-time hot girl, you know. Ali there. Ali, come here, Ali. And this is another one. Say something for the vlog.
Hi everyone.
Say the life of the wife was ended by the knife.
The what?
The life of the wife was ended by the knife.
The life of the wife was ended by the knife.
Ali, where you go there, American? You have to give them like British accent in it. Tell them subscribe to your uncle's YouTube.
Subscribe to his channel.
What else? Like, share.
And subscribe.
I'm not good at this.
Tell them say your best uncle in Jamaica.
Best uncle in Jamaica.
Let me kid it.
I'm right here.
Of course, another one of my nieces.
Hi guys.
Nurse.
Yeah.
And then my nephew run about this full-time chopper.
Hello.
We don't know, we are go home, you know.
Who?
Everybody know when we
Bo me?
a family business. watch this woman here come here. Hey, move. Move around there. Move. There, one nice little Airbnb place, nice man. Like them neighborhood there. See, me I try to get rid of the whole like them type of area where you just chill and you can step out. Man, I have me there, you know, look there, right there, so. But guess what the problem now? Guess what the problem is? I don't have a basketball. Get my hair do. Gaza, you know, in the plaza. Make sure it's on drink a heap of water. See what I mean? And who finish first with a white starter. Whoa. And I say them think they're serious. And if they laugh and then me laugh right after. Yo! My toughest thing. In the ghetto, when you're straight, gun man. Boom! I wonder if you can blow dry your beard. Do you think them? Cause my beard tall, you know? My beard tall, you fret, brother. I would just blow dry my beard, brother. Blow dry the blood stain out of my beard. Just. I get rid of them spots here, man. Bleach. I joke, me not bleach. I could just, you know, bleach. I joke. Drink water and wash my face. Most can get someone to take care of them stuff. You know? Get an even complexion and feel good in your life. Even though that sounds like bleaching. But no, not bleaching. There's something to get rid of the spots. That's it.
Michaela, look here.
You can't turn up our video too.
Michaela, when you realize that camera is here?
I think it's the video then, brother. That's
So how you do video?
You're not turn the video long way.
Because that delete that and start.
Oh my god. And I really am so idiot. Don't suck in the belly, Peter. Suck in the belly. Come belly, Vicky.
I can't talk anymore.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So make sure you follow my business page at Tees Factory and follow my club page at truth_876. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the post notification bell. And also guys, this is CC Peru. And
Yeah, so you guys can follow me on TikTok at that girl CC.
Right.
Yes. Right, this one.
and
Anyways,
Instagram at it's CCITZZCECE. Follow my Instagram at _Tenny.JProd.
yes, and over here, Mr. Too Crazy and his sister. Yes.
His adopted sister.
And we have the nephew over there.
You have the son, guys. The son.
Yeah, guys, so we're just here at the village chilling.
I bought the villa, guys.
So guys, I forgot to let you all know that I have not I. My best friend and I have a YouTube channel. It's called Avery and TC. We haven't posted in a while, but you guys can still go over and follow us because we're coming back with some videos, and I'll be also coming back with my own channel, so stay tuned for that. So in the meanwhile, I post vlogs and you know those little lifestyle thing on TikTok, so just follow me at that girl CC and it's CC on Instagram. Yes, so the hairdo,
No, brother, go put
rate it.
Guys, it's a 3 out of 4.
Auntie this is the hairdresser, guys. That's the sister. So guys, we have Auntie and Ali inside just chilling, watching TV. How you guys feeling? And how you feeling, Titanji? Tired? How you feeling, Ali?
Guys, it's a 1v1.
It's a miss. $100.
100 US.
You want me?
But I never make a shot. Don't catch me in there, no girl. Boom,
Shots.
give me 5
Shot, boy.
Miko, you fi bet now. Brother, bet Miko. That one your name?
It's a miss.
Go the post.
3 bills.
Sure.
Yeah?
Pass it.
6 bills.
No.
$6,000 for Tiani.
No, cause it I'm missing you.
Tiani bank card with the password.
See?
$1,000 answer. Easy money.
Something alright, yeah.
Oh my God.
If you're not shooting, you get the money.
Double it up. 4.
Oh, I must get a year pocket. Yes.
Brother, if you're shooting me, get the money. If you're not shooting me, you could get the money.
150 million lost. Alright, him said good shot this guys.
Guarantee you.
Guys, he's not gonna get it.
Bro, you should be working to go in the NBA. What's wrong with you?
Guys, that is LeBron James' first son.
Okay, see him there guys, him get it.
Barely.
Yeah. Yeah, blame it on that.
Of course. 100%.
Alright, see if I go catch that one now.
Can I get a what?
Shots! 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 Guys, it's night time now. My ear kind of look rusty. I'm kind of look rusty because we got done for today. I'm a beat out. But yeah, we're the two crazies, niece and nephew.
Yeah.
And we
The
out
basketball
here.
pro, nigga.
What?
And we're taking over Uncle Kevin's vlog. Yeah, so
It's the end of the day, people will probably barely see me, because I think this and not even light that. All around there, so. But yeah, I ain't a day, so I ain't a vlog me soon. No. Look more, you see me? Tired man, want to go sleep, hungry, and all of these things. Look more.